children. Welcome back to your science class. Children, as we all know that rainy season is going on. Yes? But children, have you ever wondered what causes rain? So in today's science class, let us find out. So let us start.
Earth, which is the planet we live on. It is also known as the blue planet because most of its part is covered with water. Water is very important. Without it, there would be no life. Children, we use water to drink, wash clothes, take bath, and to grow plants. People get the water supplied into their taps, which comes from sources like rivers, ponds, wells, and tube wells. But children, have you ever wondered where the water in these sources comes from? Yes, children, from rain. But children, where does rain come from? Or how the clouds are formed? So children, let's see how does rain form. When the sun shines, the heat of the sun warms the water in the lakes, ponds, rivers, sea and oceans. Now children, can you guess what will happen? Yes, water evaporates, which means it turns into an invisible gas called water vapor. Children, water vapor is light, so it rises up into the sky. Now, in the sky, the water vapor cools and changes back into tiny droplets of water. These tiny droplets of water join together to form clouds. Now, when clouds become heavy and cannot hold any more droplets, then they fall as rain. This process is called water cycle because the sun again heats up the water in lakes, ponds, etc. And then children, water vapor is formed. And then clouds are formed. And again we get rain. So children, this continuous movement of water in the atmosphere is called water cycle.